Hello, this is Tlaloc Venancio, and after reading Teach Like a Pirate by Dave Burgess, um, I think I understand now how there are teachers that are very passionate about their profession, and that is one of the main things that I bring out of the book. I really enjoy the energy that Dave Burgess brings into the book and into his profession. At the end of the day, I think another aspect of his book that I come out of is that it's going to take a few years for me to have the lesson plans that I need. But uh, just as now, as I'm a student teacher, um, every day I have to come out with a mentality of I could have done it better. How is it that I could have done it better? Or this tweaks will help me, or this just didn't work. What can I do better tomorrow? What can I do better next year? I do like the emotion that he puts on uh, with getting students to be engaged in his classroom. I think there are good ideas that I can use in my math class. Right now, I'm actually doing all the lessons every single day, and it's a challenge because sometimes, although I think I prepare the best lessons, my execution is not completely there, and part of it is lack of sleep, and part of it is that I don't have my transition skills yet from one activity to the other, or maybe I overthought the situation for the day, and I gave maybe a little bit too much information. But Dave Burgess brings me back into why I wanted to start teaching, and that is because I want students to thrive, and I want the classroom to be a safe place for students. I want them to believe in themselves. I want them to want to achieve greater things, and Dave's way of giving that is such a high energy. I don't think I will ever dress myself as a pirate or as anything, but I do believe that I can implement lessons that are, like he says, that that I could sell tickets to. Actually, right now I think I have one lesson that I could sell tickets for people to come in. But what he's talking about having lessons every single day where you can sell tickets for. Now I don't have tickets for every day, but I do have one, so I guess that's a good start. What's another thing I like about? Oh, I really enjoy also how he wants us to use other type of learning modules. For example, having music being played in the classroom to set the tone and the environment, or using art in order to engage students. I have been doing that with word problems in my math classroom right now, and I usually notice that whenever I allow students to be creative with math, everybody is volunteering to come up. So I think Dave Bergs wants us to be that type of, be creative like that, and to bring out the best of what we have, of who we are, and to improve it every single year. Now, decorating the classroom, I think I would do that. I think there are special events of the years at Crawford that are unique. For example, the Chinese New Year's is a big one in our community. Obviously, the Hispanic heritage festivities is also important. But I also think that in mathematics there is there can be a social classroom in mathematics. And I think this is the way I'm going to approach it. I'm going to bring data from injustices that happens to people in our community, immigration injustices, food injustices, and things like that, so students can relate to the math and really, really see why is it that math matters in their lives. So Dave Verge really, hits it home for me as I start my next 5 years of teaching. Thank you.